Hello, welcome to R-Tech Welding. How can I help you?
R-Tech's a different place to most. It's special in the way that it operates, and it's a team environment, and it's everyone pulling together to make sure that we get the best product out to a customer.
Okay, I'm service and warehouse supervisor, so it's a very varied role, so I'm sort of all over the place. It's quite a tight-knit, very small sort of group of people that work together well when we really need to.
I'm one of the engineers, so I do a lot of repair work, a lot of quality control work, and I work on the shop and do demos as well.
Great thing about working for R-Tech, the customer's always forefront of our views. We're looking after them above all else. We've got a great product, a great team, everyone's happy.
What makes R-Tech different? We care. We want to give you the right product at the right price, with the right support, with good old-fashioned family values. What makes R-Tech happy? Keeping you happy.